justice, it's a legal concept. It means we can frame laws around justice. There can also be adjudication in the courts around justice. It's an ethical concept, an ethical concept. It means it has a moral force as well. Do you understand that? And it means what? Fair and balanced treatment of all. That is justice. What is justice? When you give the person that person's due share. That is justice. Like say for example, there is a child who is out of school and working in the fields. When the child should go to school, if you take the child with you and admit the child in one of the nearest schools, will you deliver some kind of justice to the child? Yes. Because what is due to the child? Education. So giving due share to everyone is justice. Do you understand that? The makers of the Indian Constitution understood that unless we deliver justice in this country, we will not be able to build a fair society, a society by which everybody would be happy, and people will not accept the Constitution if the Constitution fails to deliver what? Justice. Do you understand that? पर justice की भी जो परिकल्पना की गई है, जो सोचा गया है justice के बारे में, वो कैसा है? It is not justice of one kind, but three kinds. What are they? Social, economic and political. और इसी ऑर्डर में चाहिए हमको. सबसे पहले क्या चाहिए? Social justice. फिर क्या चाहिए? Economic justice. और उसके बाद political justice. Social justice is absence of discrimination between man and man in the social sphere. Do you understand that? Like say for example, if untouchability remains in the society, do you feel social justice is delivered? No. Do you understand that? So for the establishment of social justice, we have to get rid of the evil practice of untouchability. Do you get it? So look here very carefully. Man and man, man and woman, woman and woman, man and others, others and women. जब कहीं पे भी discrimination ना रहे in terms of social interactions, then we will say that what has been established? Justice. Of what kind? Social. Do you understand that? In Ashok Kumar Gupta versus the state of Uttar Pradesh case, Supreme Court said that social justice is a fundamental right. Do you understand that? And how it is established? If you just look at Article 15, Article 17 and Article 18, all deal with right to equality. But Article 15 says what? The state shall not discriminate among citizens on the basis of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them. Article 17 says what? Untouchability is abolished. And Article 18 says what? There will not be conferment of any titles by the state. Do you get that? All of this create what? Equality of status. Do you understand that? So social justice से क्या होता है? Economic justice. If social justice is absence of arbitrary distinction between man and man in the social sphere, उस definition के हिसाब से अगर हम चलें, तो economic justice क्या हो जाएगा? Absence of arbitrary distinction between man and man in the economic sphere. Do you understand that? That is economic justice. ठीक है? Economic justice से क्या establish होता है? Equality of opportunity. Do you understand that? Social justice से क्या establish होता है? Equality of status. और कैसा लिखा हुआ है preamble में? Equality of status and opportunity. What is political justice? Political justice is the absence of arbitrary distinction between man and man in the political sphere. और ये कैसे establish होता है? कि one man one vote का concept है इंडिया. चाहे आप वोट डाले, चाहे कोई बड़ा बिजनेसमैन वोट डाले, या कोई आईएएस ऑफिसर वोट डाले, या कोई भी वोट डाले, या हम्बल रिक्शा पुलर भी अगर वोट डालते हैं, तो सबके वोट की वैल्यू क्या होगी? वन, इक्वल. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? दिस एस्टैब्लिशेस व्हाट? पॉलिटिकल जस्टिस. फर्दर वी हैव वन जनरल इलेक्टोरल रोल. ऐसा नहीं है कि कास्ट बेस्ड रोल्स बनते हैं या रिलीजन बेस्ड रोल्स बनते हैं. एक ही इलेक्शन लिस्ट होती है ना, वोटर लिस्ट, उसमें सबका नाम होता है, which again establishes what? Political justice. And can anybody contest elections of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Panchayat, etc.? Legislative Assembly? Yes. That also ensures what? Political justice. Do you understand that? And do we have any discrimination on voting on the basis of gender? No. Men and women दोनों का vote equal होता है. Do you understand that? If you have reached the age of 18 years, you are eligible for voting. Do you understand that? So what is political justice? Political justice is the absence of arbitrary distinction between man and man in the political sphere. और ये कैसे establish होता है? One man, one vote के principle से. चाहे जो भी हो आप, आपके वोट की वैल्यू सेम होगी. एक जनरल इलेक्टोरल रूल से, चाहे आप कोई भी हो, आप सबका नाम एक ही वोटर लिस्ट पे होगा और कोई भी इलेक्शन लड़ सकता है, चाहे वो यूनियन लेजिस्लेचर का हो, स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबलीज का हो या फिर पंचायत या म्युनिसिपैलिटीज का हो. द पॉइंट इज ओनली दैट यू हैव टू फुलफिल द एलिजिबिलिटी criteria, and we have universal adult suffrage. It means no discrimination between men and women in terms of voting. Only thing is that you have to attain the age of 18 years. That is political justice. ठीक है? तो एक बात याद रखो that even in countries like United States of America, women got the right to vote बहुत बाद में. They were not having the right to vote. They got right to vote very late, somewhere early in the 20th century. But from day one in India, we have acknowledged what? Right to vote for both men and women. So is there any restriction on the basis of gender in India? No. तो क्या है हमारे पास? Universal adult suffrage. ठीक है, या universal adult franchise, आप चाहे उसको जो भी बोल लो. This is political justice. ठीक है.